Have you ever heard of the YouTube channel Real Science? According to Social Blade, it's a fact-based channel that pulls in over 65 million views a year and makes more than $200,000 annually, all without ever showing a face on camera. In today's video, I'm going to reveal how you can create a similar channel focused on animal facts. I'll show you two powerful things. First, how to easily create engaging videos. And second, how to make money beyond just YouTube ads. But here's the key. You need patience to see success. So stick around till the end, and I promise it'll be worth it. Let's dive in! With ChatGPT, generating ideas and scripts has never been easier. Here's how. Give me 10 viral ideas for interesting and rare animal facts. Instantly, ChatGPT gives me ideas like the immortal jellyfish and octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Whether you're talking about pets, wild animals, or unique species, ChatGPT makes creating content easy. Want to create more topics? No problem. Ask ChatGPT for top 5 biggest animals in the ocean, or most intelligent animals on Earth, or even unbelievable animal behaviors. This gives you endless ideas for your next video series. Now that we have our script, it's time to turn it into an eye-catching video. To get started, head over to InVideo and sign up using the link mentioned in the description below. As a bonus, if you use the promo code I've provided, you'll get an extra 50 minutes of video creation time, perfect for creating your first set of engaging animal facts videos. Choose the option to create an AI video from the ground scratch. You will see several options, such as YouTube Explainer and Script to Video, etc. Select YouTube Shorts and choose the fast-paced option. The topic will be, octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood, generated using ChatGPT. Energetic background music will be selected, along with bold subtitles featuring a popping effect. After clicking Continue, proceed to click on Generate Video, and InVideo will analyze the provided topic and content. It will prompt for a target audience selection. Animal lovers can be chosen while leaving the other options at their defaults before clicking Continue. Next, InVideo will compile the B-roll, audio, and music, readying the video. Let's play the video.
I bet you didn't know octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Yep, it's true. Let's dive into their incredible world. Okay, here's the scoop. Octopuses have not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and the third one, it keeps the rest of their body going. And get this, their blood isn't red like ours, it's blue. Why? It's all thanks to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin.
Now the part you've been waiting for, how to make money beyond YouTube ads. Sure, ad revenue is great, but there are other ways to boost your income. Here are a few strategies you can use. Affiliate marketing. Promote animal-related products like pet supplies or educational books in your video description, earning a commission for every sale. Brand sponsorships. As your channel grows, companies related to animals, pet products, or nature could sponsor your videos. Merchandising. Launch animal-themed merch, vibrant t-shirts, and charming mugs for your audience. So if you're ready to build a profitable animal facts channel and make money beyond just ads, now's the time to start.